Imagine this, a 17-year-old boy from a small town in the US who barely passed high school. No fancy degree, no money, and definitely no job offers. But he had one thing, a curiosity about artificial intelligence. One day, while scrolling through TikTok, he saw a short video, learn AI tools and make $10,000 a month. He laughed. Clickbait, he said. But that night, something inside him clicked. He opened his old laptop and searched free AI courses for beginners. He found websites like Coursera, edX, and even YouTube channels teaching tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Notion AI. He started learning every night, just 1 hour after work. Within 2 weeks, he was building AI-generated resumes, then websites, then full branding kits for small businesses using AI tools. Fiverr, Upwork, Instagram. He slowly started offering services. 3 months later, he landed his first $500 client. He couldn't believe it. A client from another country paid him for something he learned for free online. Fast forward 1 year, he's now making over $8,000 a month. No degree, just AI tools and smart learning. So, what's the lesson here? In 2025, your degree doesn't matter as much as your **skill does. And AI tools? They're the shortcut. Whether you're 17 or 47, if you can learn how to use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Picker Labs, and 11 Labs, you can build a real income from anywhere. The world is changing fast. Companies want results, not resumes. So if you're scrolling on your phone today, bored and hopeless, stop. Start learning. Your future isn't waiting. It's already here. Are you ready to catch up? If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, **Xyral**, where I share more life-changing ideas just like this.